reaction with active hydrogen compounds with Grignard reagent. What is the general formula of Grignard reagent? RMgX. Now, what are we reacting this with? Compounds containing active hydrogen. What does it mean? Active hydrogen, also called as acidic hydrogen, are hydrogens directly attached to electronegative atom. So, which are the electronegative atoms? So, we know that fluorine is very electronegative. Apart from that, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, all these atoms are electronegative. So, let's see which compounds have active hydrogen. One best example is water. Are you seeing that there are two hydrogens directly attached to electronegative oxygen? How about ammonia? Again, are you observing we have hydrogens, three hydrogens, active hydrogens attached to electronegative nitrogen. What about alcohol? Alcohol also has hydrogen attached to electronegative oxygen. Similarly, we have carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid also has this hydrogen directly attached to electronegative oxygen. What about aldehyde or carbonyl compounds? We take an example here. This is the general formula of aldehyde. Are you observing that my electronegative oxygen is not attached directly to any hydrogen, and hence aldehydes or ketones are not examples of active hydrogen compounds. They undergo a different type of reaction with Grignard reagent. Let's see all these other compounds. Which type of reaction do they undergo with Grignard reagent? The first reaction, what happens when a compound contains active hydrogen? This active hydrogen, one of them, goes to this R part. So, this becomes RH, that is, you get the hydrocarbon. The rest of the product is written together, that is, you have MgXOH. This is what is obtained, and this is how the reaction occurs. This is the main reason why we say when we use Grignard reagent, we should not be using water. Otherwise, you will land up with the hydrocarbon. The next reaction, let me take some examples now. So, say I am taking methyl magnesium bromide. All we have to do is send one of these hydrogens to this methyl part. It became methane, CH4. Whatever is remaining, you write it together like this. Mg, which is attached to Br, is now attached to NH2. Let's try some other thing. Let's try aromatic halide. Aromatic Grignard reagent, like say phenyl magnesium iodide. Again the same thing. This hydrogen is sent here. And what does this become? It becomes benzene plus what's remaining? Mg, which is attached to I, is attached to OR. Similarly, we can carry out the reaction with carboxylic acid. That is, say for example, if I take CH3 MgCl, then the product would be CH4 plus Mg, which is attached to Cl, is also attached to COR. This is the reaction. So, what happens when we have active hydrogen compounds reacting with Grignard reagent? We get hydrocarbons. So, this is the reaction which Grignard reagent undergoes with active hydrogen compounds.